Hello everyone, this is Krrish Gatti. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's get into the video. Today I'm gonna unbox and review a very interesting gadget, so please don't skip and watch till end of this video. Yo guys, this is the gadget I'm talking about. It's Gear Pro Series Wireless Gamepad upgraded version, and all the features are mentioned about the box. And the actual price of this beautiful gadget is 1799 Indian rupees, but I bought it from Amazon for 1599 Indian rupees. And if you want to buy this, you can get it from the link mentioned in the description below. Let's open this and check what's inside. So guys, this is the gadget I'm talking about. Gear Pro Gamepad. And here we have one micro USB cable and a dongle. The special advantage of this gadget is we have two dongles here. So if you lost one, you can use it with another one. And here is the manual. You can go through it, and all the special features are mentioned in the manual. You can see the Gear branding here, and the controller feels and looks so premium. And in the side we have a rubbery finish, and the buttons are so clicky, and the triggers are so smooth, and the joystick is in good action. To turn on, press the home button, and here we have the connection and pairing indicators. Let me turn off the light and see how it looks in the dark. See, here you can have a beautiful view. The colors red, green, blue and yellow. This is how it looks in the dark. This gamepad can be connected to smart TVs, laptops, PCs, mobile phones and tabs. And let me connect to my laptop and see how it works. Yo guys, let's play Asphalt 8 and let's begin the race. Let's go to London. Bam, 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 race. Go. And nitro. There's no latency while using the joystick, and it feels so smooth. Whoa! Whoa, the vibration feels so good! And the battery life of this gamepad lasts for 8 to 10 hours, and the connectivity range is 8 to 10 feet. If you want this gamepad, you can get it from the link in the description below. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!